Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beach and City Delights Vlogs. In this episode, I will take you one of the best festivals of Lloret de Mar, which is called the Americans Returns. It's always held in the middle of the June, like 16th, 17th and 18th respectively. This activity is organized by the Department of Economic Promotion of the Lloret de Mar City Council and included in the program of the capital of Catalan culture, Lloret. You can find many kind of food products, ornaments, traditional handmade products. You can find a lot of souvenir. So it's one of the wonderful festival, I can say, that you can find in Lloret de Mar. And in the last, you can find a live music in the night, which is make this atmosphere like really amazing. So I hope you will enjoy that and stay tuned with me. Thank you. Hi, Rivan Nortisa.
Aquello, one portion, brown egg is a red egg, like red egg.
Фури? Это что, фури? 40? Да не может быть фури, так не может быть. Да, ну не.
25 for one.